Good evening again. It's been a long time we didn't post any video, so I decided today to add another episode, and this episode will be about Dogecoin. Thank you very much if you subscribed already to our channel, our community. Personally, I invite you to check my previous videos, my old one especially, and I hope you just guys can get something as a knowledge. So before we start, excuse me if I made any mistakes or I will make any mistakes during this session. English is not my second language, nor the third. So Dogecoin, okay, Dogecoin. You may notice that these days a lot of people are talking about Dogecoin and talking about next targets. So in this video we will check the next targets together, and also we will extract algorithmic levels using what we call the 5 circles. So guys, this is an advice. Trust me, this is an advice. Before you get inside any cryptocurrency or any markets, whatever, stocks or bonds, or you have to understand the market behavior of that asset. So for example, Dogecoin, you can absolutely get that by your eyes. If you see that there is some kind of accumulation, then a pump, then accumulation, then a pump, then accumulation, then a pump, etc. So till now, if you invested in Dogecoin maybe later this year or maybe the previous year, you still in gain. You have a gain. You're still in profit. So based on that, we are going to see what happens next. So guys, this is our structure points here. Okay, sorry. This is our structure points. It's clear here. You can see that there is a high, okay, then an accumulation phase, okay, an accumulation phase inside this candle, which is the mother bar, okay, which is what? Which is the mother bar. You can see that the markets actually respects the high and the low, the closes also, okay. So based on that, we get an accumulation phase. There is a lot of tools you can identify market accumulation, or you can just by your eye, you can get into some pressure, or you can say something like that. For example, like that. Okay, you have a market, and then okay, we respect this wave here, then another consolidation, and then later we will continue to reach another new highs. Also, there is some kind of accumulation phases. Okay. It's like that, a down wave. Then the market continues to force the accumulation phase based on the consolidation phase itself. And then people can enter within the exit or the breakout of the accumulation phase. This is actually something you need to practice a lot, but I wish you could understand me. So if you have another let's say consolidation, just make sure you are in the low, and if you want to buy, okay, here, and you have a move like that, make sure there is already some pumpy waves, okay. It's like that. This is an accumulation phase here. This is an accumulation phase. So based on that, you can enter a position without hesitation. So guys, a lot of people unfortunately they don't actually force themselves to learn how to trade the market based on the price action and the market behaviors. But I'm here to show you that you have, based on the previous behaviors, okay, remember behaviors, you can predict the next movements. So the market accumulation phase, it's one of the biggest you can say treasures you can make money with, and also it's your opportunity. So catch the accumulation phases and go with it. So guys, here after the breakout of this high, we will enter, if you want some secure say entry points. Second wave, you can get that by another, let's say retest or pullback. So if you just enter here, you have made already 400%, okay, 400%. So later guys, we still in another wave here, and you can see this is a high and this is a low. This is a high and this is a low. So based on that guys, we can see a clear accumulation phase. Clear accumulation phase. Okay, this is an accumulation phase based on what we can see previously on the charts. So in your opinion, what is the next target on Dogecoin? So guys, it's very simple. All you have to do is just check the highs and the lows. Based on them, you can predict the market movements. Okay, so moments. Let me show you the credibility of this tool already, so you can have at least some evidences. Okay, so here guys, okay, say this is based on the high and the low. We can select another movements, and we can select also, we can predict. Okay, we can predict another movement. So based on that guys, based on that tool, we can get a lot of targets. It's actually it works almost 100%. So see here guys, okay, based on that level we get another pullback, and then we retest this level, and then we enter again. Okay, so just based on that you can still predict the market, okay, like that, and you can have your targets done already. So practice the 5 circles, and I promise you will get a lot of knowledge. You will discover a lot of things. Maybe I didn't discover them personally. You know, if you seek, you will find. So guys, here this is our structure points. You can see that the closure was at below the 4.70. Yes, what is that? 76. Okay, and this is our structure point for the accumulation, and based on that also we can select our targets. Okay, if you want to keep them like that. Okay, so this is our levels here guys. You can see that you have to get out at the 4.76. Maybe you didn't get the full targets, but say for example from here, okay, based on the 0.78 all the way to 4.76, it's 700%. It deserves, guys, trust me, it deserves. So $100,000 becomes almost 1 million. Okay, so the same here. Okay, the same here. This is our targets, guys. Okay, this is our targets. 1.11. Okay, 2.08 or $2. Then $4, and then there is $8 on Dogecoin. Okay, this is you may not believe me, but it deserves actually, and you will see by yourself. So this is for the targets, guys. What is the danger on the Dogecoin? Can you see any risks? Okay, personally I can see some risks here, but I wish we could cancel that risk. Now it's up to the whales, to the big capitals, okay, big investments, to cancel this pattern here. This is our pattern here. It's a clear head and shoulders. It's one of the reversal patterns that a lot of people are afraid from. Okay, so if you could actually just relax and wait until the cancel of this pattern here. This is the, what is that? Yes, the left, sorry. This is the left shoulder, and this is the high shoulder, the right shoulder. This is the high or the head. So if we can cancel this level here by simply breaking higher than this level, then closing it, or yes, it's closing it, but closing higher, okay? And then we can continue to reach new goals. For me, guys, I think if you could put your money on Dogecoin, it's good. From that level all the way to 0.10. Yes, you can say, hey, this is something risky. From this level all the way to that level, 76%. It's nothing, guys. If you are targeting big levels, then you are afraid from 76%. You will make at least 1,000%. Okay, 600%, maybe 2,600. Okay, 3,000 you can say. So it deserves, guys. It deserves. I think, in my opinion, Dogecoin will reach new highs this year, and probably the next year also. Let's finish the July, okay? Then we will start at, you can say, September. In September, we will see the new market conditions, okay? So based on the quarter, okay, based on the 3 months price movements, we can predict another say market conditions. So September, guys, it's very important, and we will see what's going to happen. But personally, I believe that Dogecoin is still positive, and it deserves, actually, based on the price action. You may see here, guys, okay, Dogecoin keeps this kind of beautiful movements, actually, okay, beautiful movements. So if you could invest your money on Dogecoin later, you will make a lot of profits. So guys, this is it for this video. Thank you very much. Sorry if I commit any mistakes during this session. Subscribe to my channel if you liked my content and you liked my strategy. I'm not an analyst. I am a trader. I do believe in technical analysis, but I believe that technical analysis is just a language and you have to use it the proper way. Because if you made any mistakes using this technical analysis, you will be used in the whale's interests. So be careful trading like an analyst. You should trade like a whale, okay? Trade like a certified trader. Thank you guys again. Have a good day.